Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you guys a reason and explain to you why you want to do your own oil changes or take it where they actually do the quality work. On this 2012 Tundra that I purchased last year, and I'm doing an oil change right now actually, it's about what, 6, 7, 8 months later. Look at the drain plug on the left. This is what I pulled out. It has two washers, so instead of getting a normal washer, they just slapped a piece of rubber, a metal washer, so they can just make this work. Yeah, that's the shops that small independents. I don't want to badmouth anyone, but not everyone does the quality of work. And on the right is the brand new bolt and brand new washer. So this is how they do the work. Instead of getting the washer, they just start making things up that, boy, it's called poor quality. And people don't know what they're doing. And when I called the dealer and asked for the name of the shop so I can find out what kind of oil they used, he said he gave me the name of the shop. When I called the shop, left a message, they never called me back. So I asked him to find out what oil they used in this Tundra with almost 250,000 miles, and he text messaged me back, said they were using Valvoline or Mobil or Castrol Mobil, one or the other. So the shop doesn't even know what they're using. So they're, I guess, sound like they're used whatever cheap they can get their hands on. So if you're a shop and you don't know what oil you're using in the customer's vehicles, wow, then you shouldn't be in business of changing oils. You know, those kind of shops that don't know what they put in the vehicles, they're the ones that are causing damage to the people's vehicles and putting people at risk and putting themselves at risk being shut down for, you know, this type of work is unacceptable. And I'm doing an oil change right now. I want to show you guys. So this is it. Some of you are going to ask me why do I have a jack. The jacks underneath is so I can drain more oil from the oil pan, because the bolt in the oil pan is not right in the middle, it's on the side. So about, there could be half a quart still oil in the oil pan. Take a look. Location of the bolt. You see, it's not to the side, it's about an inch up. So you have about a quart of oil still there if you do it on a flat surface. That's why I always jack it up on side so it flows out more oil. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to change your oil, either yourself or a place where they do quality work. Thank you.